This video will explain how to add and use the control key fob. If you choose to have a control key fob, adding this feature is simple. Note that the same control key fob code can be programmed into as many locks as desired. To begin, press and release the program button and enter the master key code. While the red LED is lit, point the key fob at the program key of the lock as shown and press the center button of the key fob. The green LED on the lock will flash as the lock reads the key fob code. Once the key fob is learned into the lock can now be accessed with the key fob. Simply point the key fob at the lock under the program button and press the center button of the key fob as shown. You can easily add a supervisor code with a control key fob. Press and release the program button on the lock. Point the control key fob and press the center button. The red LED on the lock will illuminate, and then enter your supervisor code and press the lock program button again. The LEDs will flash sequentially, indicating that the new code has been stored.